So now we will do a simple buzzer alarm circuit. So this is the buzzer. Here legs are given here, positive and negative. So positive should be given here. You have to insert it here with this, and then take an LED. The longer leg should go in the same line as the negative, the positive LED, positive leg of this circuit, LED should go with the negative of this buzzer, like this, and then a resistor below the shorter leg of LED, and another terminal just like this, and then take the power supply, negative black wire. This should go here below the resistor, insert it properly, and then the positive. Now this black wire below the resistor, insert it properly. This red below this positive terminal.